Hello, my wonderful friends. I'm glad you could stop by and hope you're going to enjoy this video. It's going to be on the Mint Mongoose jewelry subscription for June 2020. If you're new to my channel, great to have you. Thank you for stopping by. And you know what? I hope you like it so much that you like, subscribe, and hit that notification button so that when new videos are available, you are aware. So anyways, let's talk about Mint Mongoose. And it is a subscription for $15.99 a month. And it has free US shipping. They have two tiers. They have the regular mint, and then they have the black mint. And the black mint is $22.99 a month, and you get 4 jewelry items. The one I have is for 3. And the greatest thing is if you like see jewelry on that website, you get 25% off. So let's jump on board. Look at this presentation right here. And you know what? I love this, and it's just really nice to just add some unique pieces that you never really dream of using. And they just come on, and you go, wow, that's really cool. I never thought I would really like something like that. And so I'm opening up the box. So anyways, really pretty. And it comes in little envelope. Look at that with that little wax. It thinks it's really adorable. And it has a little thank you card. Yay, it's here. Really cute. And look at the color of this one. Oh, that's adorable. So let's see what we got this month. And you know what? I'm really enjoying this, and I hope you guys do too, because sometimes, when you do your glam, it's not only the makeup, it's also your accessories. So we've got 3 little bags. Each one has a little, mint on it. Really cute. And first up I'm going to do is the earrings. Let me get it out of the bag, because they really do package it well. And so let's see what we got. Oh, these are adorable. These are really nice. Let me get my scissors. They pack the boop out of them, let me tell you. So they don't get damaged or anything like that. And you have choice of metals where you can go with, gold or silver, or I believe you can also go with rose gold. But look at these. With the little shepherd hooks, look at that. Those are adorable. This is something I would definitely wear. Yes, indeedy. These are some really nice size, and they're weighty, but not enough to really drag your ears down. But those are some really nice substantial earrings. So that gives me a big plus on these. So let's see what's next in here. And let me get it out of the packaging. They just do everything they can to keep you busy. But you know what? I hope you really like those earrings. And if you do get Mint Mongoose, let me know below, and let me see if you enjoy and what you got in your bag. And because it depends on what you choose. If you like what metals, ooh, look at that. And it's all really themed well. Look at that. Really pretty. And let me put on my this. So right there. And then look at the earrings. Talk about matching. That is really pretty. So, you know what? I'm really liking this. And you know what? This is just a really nice, quick way so you don't have to go out shopping and really kind of say, do I really like this or that? And it gets picked for you. And you know what? If it doesn't fit your style, you can just, gift it to a friend. And then, oh, look at this. It's another necklace. And then you know what? I love how they're all themed together, but look at this one. Look at that. Really nice. So I think this is a really good, bag this month. Look at these, and especially layering them. That would be pretty. Right there. Oops, let me get the bottom one too. But that is really pretty. They have some nice size. They have a nice chain on the back with multiple, ringlets for you, so you can do the just different lengths. And these earrings, I think these are just cute as a bug. And you know what? I think I'm going to put them on for the next video. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. And don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, a subscribe, and